A typical summer Friday. Markets suck. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to BUBBA'S Update for Friday, the 23rd of July. And, of course, as typical in the summer, typical summer trading, markets are quiet and not much going on. And not that we don't expect it that way, because that's exactly what we expect in summer trading. This update is brought to you by our friends at Tradier Brokerage. And Tradier is, as I put it every day, $10 a month. How can you beat that? Okay. They've got great customer service to go along with it. And they also we have their APIs, which allows us to, if you choose, to automate your equity portfolios at no cost. It's a service that we offer for free, which is part of your membership that you've already paid. But at the end of the day, you don't have to. You can trade anywhere you want. You can get the signals. It's entirely up to you. And as I always tell you, we have other brokers all over the place. So it's not like this is our only, but this is the one that does exactly what we wanted to do, because I like the automated trades. I don't have to think about it. But again, it's always up to you. In the meantime, the markets have been slow and crazy once again. We saw way up early, a big sell-off on the open, and then now they're once again challenging towards the highs of the day. In the meantime, the Dow is up 138. We are long. The Nasdaq is up 72. We're long. The S&P is up 23. We're long. And the Russell's down 15, and we're short. That's a good combination. Okay. Crude oil, a little bit lower, but it's had almost gained back most of what it lost on Monday. Not a surprise. Okay, we're still long, and again, we'll be long until that signal changes. Again, we don't guess the markets. We play purely mathematical, and that is the way it is. The dollar is higher once again, and we're still long. Not a surprise. The rest of currencies around the globe are in trouble, and of course, this is the manipulation theory. It's the dollar's turn to rally and the others to collapse. Gold is down $8. We're short. Silver is down 24 cents, and we're short. And platinum is down $37 at a key level. We would be short, but we don't trade it because it's not liquid enough. But we would be shorted here. And 1050 is the key. If it goes through 1050, it's going under 1,000 most likely. Okay. As we take a look in the natural gas, is a little bit higher. Over four, not a lot higher. Sorry, it's over $4. Okay, unbelievable for this time of year. Copper was much higher and is now coming back in. It looks like it might turn negative on the day. Okay, we're still shorted, and the bonds and notes are lower. This has been a trade the last few days of up and down as the bond traders and the Fed continue their ever going battle. Okay, and the grain markets, you've got corn lower and we are short. You've got beans lower and we are long, and you've got wheat slightly higher and we are long. So again, at the end of the day, it is what it is, and we'll see. This trading in the grain markets is as painful as it can get. You can hear my analysis on RFD TV today too at 11:45 Central. But everybody's trying to be a weatherman. So we'll see what happens. In the meantime, in the I forgot about the meats, the protein complex. Feeder cattle is higher, we're short. Hogs are flat, we're long. And fat cattle is flat, and we are short. In the softs, cotton is lower, we're long. Coffee is down about $1, which is kind of ugly. Okay, now don't get me wrong. The $30 rally in 2 days or 30-cent rally, but I call it $30, but was good for us. But today it was up almost 10, and it's reversed to now negative. So that's somewhat of a concern, but it was a blow up, so certainly not a total shock. Sugar is up 40 cents, and of course we are long, and cocoa is lower, we're short, and OJ is exploding, and we're long. So all in all, a pretty good afternoon or good morning so far, and we'll see how the day ends. As I tell you, look, this is a lousy market to be active. It is just a good market to be in. the portfolio models that are mechanically traded without having to think about anything, because you're going to make a trade that doesn't exist because of the lack of activity. And when you get bored, you start looking for things that are not there. So my advice to you is to turn off the machine and go out and enjoy yourself. In the meantime, remember our other brokerage partner, and that is Capital Trading Group. Now I have other futures and commodities brokers as well. But for my letter of direction trading, they're the only ones I've authorized because they have marvelous service. Nell Sloan, who's one of the partners over there with Pat, they do a great job, managing my members, which is all I care about. So I've approved them for my only letter of direction. They're so good that they trade my portfolios that are in the portfolio models. And they've got some terrific managed futures products. You want to check them out. Okay, go to info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. And, Family Farms, I'll be with them on Monday. I'm excited. But they've got the same interests we have, which is to help our farmers. Let them do what they do best and let us do what we do best. And it's a great marriage. And I'll be speaking on Tuesday. But I'll be down in Chesterfield, Missouri. And if you're one of my guys that are going to be there, feel free to come and have to the bar on Monday night. I'll be buying. Okay. And of course, our commodity report written by Andy Hecht. Look, as I say to you every day, if you're a commodities trader and you don't have this report, go see a doctor, because you are getting bad information instead of getting information from a 40-year veteran who not only traded the board, but traded physicals throughout the world. Okay. It's called Technomental. Go to BUBBA'S.com. And of course, our high school program, which school might come back into session. And if you want to help us out, you can go to Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. Have a great day, everybody. Again, relax. Oh, and I did forget to mention Bitcoin, which is pretty flat. It's had a little pop, but it's still under a lot of pressure. Okay, it is slightly higher at the moment, but we'll see where it ends up. I mean, we still like it, but our models are shorted at the moment. Just full disclosure. So have a great day, everybody, and we'll see you back here again on Sunday for Bubba's Bottom Line, and of course Monday for another update. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. Have a nice weekend. We'll see you later.